Welcome to our channel. If you need to export your call logs from the Social Security Administration, follow these step-by-step instructions to download and save your communication records. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Social Security Administration website at ssa.gov. Log in using your My Social Security account credentials with your username and password. Step 2. After logging in, locate and click on your account profile or dashboard section at the top of the page. Step 3. Look for the Communication History or Call Logs section in the main menu. This may be under My Account Settings or Communication Preferences. Step 4. Once you access the Call Logs section, you will see a list of all your previous calls with the Social Security Administration, including dates, times, and call durations. Step 5. Select the date range for the call logs you want to export by using the calendar or date picker tool. Step 6. Click on the Export or Download button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the call logs list. Step 7. Choose your preferred file format for the export, such as PDF, CSV, or Excel, depending on how you plan to use the data. Step 8. Click Download to save the file to your computer. Check your Downloads folder to locate the exported call logs file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.